Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RIG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action, but the volume. Very, very impressive, and certainly some updates need to be made since the last time I did an analysis. First I'm going to do is actually just delete this green line out of here. Sure, that level still pertains, just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible going forward. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into the day, $3 was that area of resistance, but now with the price having, not only broken above it, but shattered, through it, that would now be considered one of the newest areas of support. Taking a step back and looking at everything from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So point being with that is as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. But if you're looking at a way, because you just want to gauge the overall health, the overall power of the chart, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the health and the power fully belongs in the bear's corner. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, doesn't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, let me squeeze this down to bring up more context. What matters the most is what the price has been doing and continues to do. And that's this right here. Just chipping away and building these higher bases, or if you want to envision these as stair steps. So in other words, as long as these stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on chipping away and building those higher bases, and just sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.